Microscopic World. Discovered with Goko Japan.
Greetings from Goko Japan. In this video, we explore fascinating researches using the capillaroscope Goko B-Scan series, focusing on microsurgery. Next, I'd like to introduce Dr. Chihiro Matsui from the Department of Plastic Surgery at Juntendo University. Dr. Matsui is one of the distinguished researchers who incorporated Goko's capillaroscope and velocity software into her studies from its very early stages. Dr. Matsui has numerous conference presentations and authored multiple papers utilizing the capillaroscope. Notably, some of her work has been selected one of the top 200 abstracts at the American Society of Plastic Surgeons and even won the Best Presentation Award. Her research stands out for its remarkable creativity. Today, I'd like to introduce one of Dr. Matsui's open access papers, which is based on a brilliant idea and offers valuable insights for many plastic surgeons. Her research opens new possibilities in video capillaroscopy, significantly contributing to advancements in the field. This paper compares the dynamics of capillaries at normal and lower body temperatures in skin areas, commonly used for flap harvesting, based on the potential of using a capillaroscope as a microsurgical flap monitoring tool. It provides a detailed analysis of the effects of temperature changes on skin capillaries. The study was conducted on 20 healthy Japanese individuals. The skin areas examined were the lateral thigh, anterior forearm, mid-axillary line, abdomen, and fingertip. During cooling, ice packs were applied for 10 minutes to reduce skin temperature below 35 degrees Celsius. The results were incredibly fascinating. The decrease in skin temperature resulted in significant vasoconstriction and reduction in capillary blood flow velocity. Vasoconstriction was calculated based on average reduction rate of blood vessel area, and significant differences were observed depending on the anatomical region. Now, let's take a closer look at the decrease in flow velocity for each region. The flow velocity was measured using our Goko VIP software for velocity measurement. Let's first take a look at the blood flow in the capillaries of the lateral thigh. The average blood flow velocity reduction rate after cooling was 75.7%. Next, let's take a look at the changes in blood flow in the anterior forearm. The average blood flow velocity reduction rate after cooling was 55.3%. As for the central axillary region, the average blood flow velocity reduction rate after cooling was 68.9%. As for the abdomen, the average blood flow velocity reduction rate after cooling was 61.6%. As for the fingertip, the average blood flow velocity reduction rate after cooling was 79.2%. Post-hoc analysis was also revealed significant differences between the thigh and forearm and fingertips, and the abdomen and fingertip. For those interested in further details, please refer to the paper. This paper argues that keeping the observation area warm during the capillaroscope examination is essential to avoid misdiagnosis of vascular occlusion and to obtain accurate information about microcirculation. It also suggests that this is particularly important in reconstructive surgeries of the lower and upper limbs. We'd like to express our respect for Dr. Matsui's wonderful research. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Please join us today and take advantage of Goko's capillaroscope.